Let's take a look at this amazing app called DrawPal, Drawing on Widget. So yeah, let's just tap Get. So when you tap Get, double click to install this app. Yep, drawing together is easy. So are you ready to add a dash of creativity and fun to your relationship? With DrawPal Drawing on Widget, you can draw on your home screen widget and transform it into a shared canvas with your lover or friends. Imagine waking up to a sweet doodle from your partner or playing a quick game of XO on your home screen. So you can just create delightful drawings or convey messages to express themselves right on each other's phone screens, share your thoughts, express your love. So yeah, the idea is that you can create a drawing room, invite your partner and friends to join the fun, draw together. You can also do like a solo drawing, and then you can also draw on the widget. There were a bunch of apps like that, like Noted app and some others like a year or so ago. But these apps
Would you like to know
are
where your
getting
loved one
better.
is?
Unfortunately, there's a lot of ads. So then you see, and then basically let's just figure it out how it works. Unfortunately, again, there are a bunch of ads here. Then finally you can close them. So you can create room, or you can join room or share the app. So if you just tap create room, here it is, and then tap here to draw on the widget. So then you can just invite friends to this. So this is the basically your room code, how you invite your friends. So you can just copy it. You can also download it. And then basically you can just start drawing. So for example, you draw here, you can add background, select different background, select different brushes, erasers, things like that. Then again, you can add friends, and then how to add widget, just tap and hold. Click to add a widget, search DrawPal, and then add the widget. So let's try it out. So when I just tap and hold, tap plus. So for some reason, sometimes you can't add widget right away. You need either to restart your phone, so this is a bit weird, or restart the app. So if I just tap plus and then I just want to search the widget. So probably you just literally need to restart your phone or something like that, because this is the known bug with these home screen widgets. But after that, you should be able to add it.